Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fix Cash App declining transactions for your security. So let's get right into it. Now, they do put a lot of effort into their customer support. So if you're having any problems, please do contact them first. However, your transaction might be declined for a couple of different reasons. Your account may be locked because of fraudulent activity. Your app might be corrupted, your internet might be slow, or you just might not have enough balance to do that transaction. So you just need to identify the problem and try to fix it like that. Now, to see if you recognize the declined transaction, you can tap the activity tab in the bottom right, then locate the declined transaction pending review and confirm if you do or do not recognize the transaction. If you do, then it's all right. Then you can try and troubleshoot it and try it again. If you don't recognize it, shut it down and report it to their customer support and they'll help you with it. Now, other than that, if your internet is bad, try and see if you can fix your internet connection. If you don't have enough money, do transfer some more from your bank account to be able to use Cash App. And if it's a cache error, you can easily go to Cash App's storage and delete the local cache, which if corrupted can cause problems with the app functionality. And other than that, that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.